Alright, so I thought it'd be cool to make a video for you guys to just kind of go through some of the features of the agent portal. Right now I'm using an Android device, but this will work on an iPhone or BlackBerry or basically anything with a web browser on it. So if you had an iPod Touch, you can access it from there. If you have an iPad, you can use it. And actually, even if you're just sitting on YouTube right now on your home computer, you can type in mobile.jetdelivery.com and you can access it from any web browser, period. So let's just tap on Agent Portal. I have it saved on my phone, and if you guys got a phone from Jet, it's saved on yours too. Anyway, my test driver is 222, so it remembered all my information, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And before making this video, I created 2 jobs. So let's just see what we have to work with here. So there's 2 jobs on this driver, and we can accept them all, or we can reject them all, or maybe we just want to do one of them. So let's just see what this job is. Okay, this one pays up here. It says the price. It pays $105.87. That's pretty good. Let's just look at the other one. I don't know. Just compare. This one pays $11.97. So I don't know. Let's take this one. Let's take the one that pays $105. We'll hit accept. And we're letting dispatch know now that we're taking this job. So don't dispatch it to anybody else. And if we wanted, we could have rejected it. We could have rejected the other one. It would have just asked why, and we could have said, I don't know, it doesn't pay enough, or you guys made a mistake, I'm not in that area, or whatever. It could have been any reason. But it's nice to know that you can reject a call and dispatch doesn't care. They'll just give it to somebody else. So let's say we get there and we picked it up, and we want to let dispatch know. We don't want to call them and tell them that we are 10-8. We just want to send them a quick little message. So maybe, who knows, maybe they're making us wait. So in that case, we just hit waiting, and then we would put who we talked to over there and the reason why we're waiting, and then they'll start your waiting time for you. Anyway, let's say we just picked it up. So right now it's just verifying the weight. We said, when I set the call up, I said it was 24 pounds. Let's say it actually weighs 43 pounds. I said 24. So now we're sending dispatch a message that says, okay, we picked it up. It actually doesn't weigh 24 pounds anymore. It weighs 43 pounds, and we're leaving. If there was another call that was in the area or along the way, maybe dispatch would send you another call, and you could either accept or reject that call. But right now, we're just letting them know we picked it up and we're leaving. Anyway, the same thing, you do the same thing on delivery. You guys will figure a lot of this out on your own. I'm leaving some of the stuff out, but you guys can figure everything out. It's pretty self-explanatory. Anyway, right here, we'll go back into that call, and if maybe we're waiting on delivery, I don't know how much you actually wait on delivery. I guess if they have to offload, but if it's just a little small package, I guess normally they just take it right then. But if you were waiting, you just hit waiting, and it'll ask you for the contact name and the reason for the delay, and then you just hit send, and then they start your waiting time. Or we could just hit delivered, and it's going to ask for a signature. So anyway, yeah, actually, let's just finish that one real fast, because we'll go through a whole call. So we're going to say we dropped this thing off, whatever it was, and all it's going to ask for is a signature. So let's say I signed for it, B-R-E-N-T, Barbada, and we'll hit go. So now it told dispatch that we dropped this thing off and Brent Barbada signed for it. I just have to wait a minute. I'm not on Wi-Fi here. Alright, so it was successful, and it should take us back to the home page. Alright, cool. If you want to check your status, instead of calling dispatch, you just hit my status. Right now we have a job assigned. It's that one that we didn't reject yet. But anyway, if you don't have any jobs, it'll tell you what your position is in line in your area. If you want to send a general message to dispatch, I'm not sure why you'd want to do that. Maybe I don't know, maybe you needed to take a break for 15 or 30 or however long, however many minutes, and you just want to let them know, or you had a question for them, or whatever it was. You can send it here, and they'll get back to you through text message. If you wanted to contact someone, like actually call somebody in dispatch, you just hit, I don't know, say you want to call dispatch. You just, that's customer service. If you want to call customer service, you would press that one. But for dispatch, you just go here, and if you have a phone, then it will just dial the number for you, or you just hit call in this case. But if you didn't have anything that you could use as a phone, then you can call on any other phone that worked. But yeah, then the check in and check out, that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm already checked in right now, but say we wanted to check out. Click on that. Ending mileage. My starting mileage was 1. I assumed I had a new car. But let's just say, I don't know, we drove 200 miles today on checkout. So we're going to hit go, and it's going to tell dispatch we're checking out right now, and we drove 200 miles. It's actually not how many miles you drove, it's just the ending mileage on your odometer. So the starting mileage that I checked in at was 1 mile. And then so say 1 mile was on the odometer, and right now I put 200, so I guess technically we only drove 199 miles today. And I think that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, just call. If you have any technical questions, like on this phone, just call the IT department. You could even do it right here. Just hit 949-450-0892. And you can ask us any questions you want. So anyway, I think that's it, and yeah, have fun with this.